Hi, Hadu. Today I'm going to draw a basketball player who is walking on the court and playing the ball, and he's looking on the other side. So let's draw the sketches here. Okay, so it's different kinds of sketch you can see here. All right, first I'm putting the body shapes you can see. Okay, then I'm going to put the colors after the drawing is complete. All right, so you can see the hands here and the fingers. Okay, and the other side, the right hand you can see here. All right, okay, so the hands coming up here, and the shirt he is wearing on the top, that's pretty much bigger one. As you know, all the body of the players is because strong. They always do the exercises and keep the fitness. That's why it looks very steady and the fit body. All right, and you can see the shorts under him. Okay, so few racks you can see coming from here. All right, and the bottom and the legs you can see here. Okay, and the leg you can see from the other side. And let's put a ball just on the air in front of him. Because of the dribbling, maybe it's floating on the air. Okay, and we put the graphics of the ball. All right, so this is it. You can see the total sketch effect is looking nice. All right, and we're putting the shades of the body parts, like one side is little bit darker and another side is little bit brighter. Okay, the beautifications of the sketch is the efficiency of the shades and shadow, because if you follow the light source and the proportions of the shades and shadow, then the drawing is going to be really very nice. It looks like it's a lively one. All right, very few hairs in his head, so we're just drawing the bald head here. All right, okay. This thing has a solid color in his left hand. And the red color you can see to the whole surface of the circular ball. All right, the ball is looking fine, looking nice. And the dress is wearing, let's put a light green on the top. The whole color is light green, and also light green in the bottom. For the wrinkles and the more shades, let's put a deeper color along the wrinkle side. Okay, that's how it becomes lively sketch. So these are the step-by-step process. Few steps are done. Mhm. So after you can see the wrinkles is done with a dark pencil. It looks little lively, and other parts I'm just putting the white color. Okay, that's to fill up all the vacant spaces which are just looks like a white color and empty. All right, so this is the nice drawing of a player of the basketball. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. You can also browse through the playlist for different kinds of drawings. We have lots of drawings in our channel. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and enjoy the drawings. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.